Hi Ed 200 class, we are almost done, so hang in there. We got it. Let's go. For this last week, my 3 questions were, does the relation between race, ethnicity, and the 2 educational outcomes vary across schools? And do the characteristics of schools, especially the racial, ethnic composition of the student body and the teaching staff, influence students' attachment and academic engagement? And the one I want to talk about is, do white, African American, and Hispanic American adolescents differ in their levels of attachment to school and academic engagement? So for this one, I found a pretty good article, actually research paper, and there's a good graph on there. I have it up on my phone to look at, but it's on the slide that way. And in here, they have the middle schools and high schools statistics, but I'm going to do high schools because that's what I'm going to be teaching. And if anyone has taken biostats or any other form of stats, for the first 2 categories, attachment and engagement, it's a range from 1 to 5, and then the other one is a 1 to 4, and they just took the average of those. But everything else is the p-value, which is all the statistics, and you do plug it into a chart and you get a p-value. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's a form of statistics. For the Hispanic American, their academic engagement was the average was a 0.09, and then the African American was a 0.15, and the white was a 0.76. And so there's a very big difference from 0.01 to 0.15 to 0.76. So I guess you could say that there is a differing level of attachment to school and academic engagement. New question is, what can we do about it? How can we lessen the gap? And that could be future research. I know the article that I was reading, it just went on to the statistics. It never went on to how we could solve this problem. So that could be further research for you and further research for me. Thanks, and stay strong.